welcome back to the channel. If you're using Capitec and need to find your card number quickly, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your card number directly on the Capitec app. It's super simple and convenient, so let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might need your card number. Whether you're setting up for online payments, subscribing to services, or verifying your account, having quick access to your card details is essential. Luckily, Capitec makes it easy to find this information securely right on the app. So here's how to find your card number on the Capitec app step by step. First, go ahead and log into the Capitec app. Open the app on your smartphone and log in with your credentials like your PIN or fingerprint. Go to your account section. On the home screen, tap on your Global One icon account or the account linked to your card. Select the card details. Look for an option labeled card details or view card information, and this might be located under the account menu or a specific tab for cards. Authenticate for security. For your safety, you'll need to verify your identity by entering your PIN or using a biometric authentication. Now, once you're authenticated, your card number will be displayed along with the other details like the expiry date and CVV. Make sure to note this information for your purpose and keep it secure. And that's it. Now you know how to get your card number on the Capitec app in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks.